Hi, welcome to this video in which we're going to see how to submit a voice recording for the speaking section of a test on CBA Canvas. Well, first, what I have to do is I have to log into my class on the platform. Then I choose modules. As you can see here, we have final test, and we choose the speaking section, which is this one. We open the section. We click on Start Assignment. Once I do it, the text entry box will be displayed. What I have to do is click on these three dots that you see here. Below will be displayed this information, these icons, and I have to choose the third one, this. I click on it. Once I click on it, this information will be displayed. Upload, record media, or user media. I choose the first one. I click on it, and here I will have two options. Computer, record. I have to choose the second one. I click on it. Then I will see this information. Here I will have microphone, and on the right, the webcam. I have to choose the microphone because this is a voice recording. So I click on microphone. This information will be displayed. I have to choose the one that applies to my case. In this case, it's my microphone. I click on it. And then once I'm ready, I click on Start Recording. I hit the blue button. We have the countdown. And then I start speaking. I start sharing my answer or what I have to share with my teacher. So I start recording. As you can see that here the time is running. And once I do it, once I finish, I click on this blue button that says finish. Or if I feel that I didn't do well, I can click on start over and I do it again. No problem. Let's suppose that I have finished. So I click on this blue button. Once I do it, I can hear to what I just recorded. I just have to click on this blue button and I will hear my answer. Here we have file. I don't have to put anything. If I want to do it again, if I feel that my first attempt was not good, I can click on start over and I do the same process. Now, if I am sure and I am ready to share my voice recording with my teacher, I just have to click on this green button that says Save Media. I click on it. I will see that my voice recording was saved in the text entry box. And then I click on Submit Assignment, the red button. I hit it. And then I will get this message that says Assignment successfully submitted. Well, that's the whole process in order to submit a voice recording for the speaking section of a test on CBA Canvas. If you know anybody who needs this video, please share it. Thank you so much for watching.